Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to complete the body measurement section on the Google Fit application, adding your weight, body fat and height. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the third icon down below, which is the browse section. Tap on the second option, body measurements. Now tap on weight in order to add your weight. Tap on this plus icon at the top of the screen. Now you should add the exact date and time and then your weight. You should also select the unit of measurement such as kilograms, pounds or stone. If you are done with it, press the button save at the top of the screen. Then go back by the help of this icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now you should also add your body fat by clicking on this button. Tap on the plus icon, add the date and time and the percentage of your body fat. Then press the button save. Go back and then tap on this last button to add your height. Select the date and time and then add your height, and you should also select the unit of measurement such as metric or imperial. Then press the button save in order to save all these information. So now as you can see, this section have been completed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.